how to claim tax refund online UK. So you want to Google search for claim tax refund online UK and go to this first website, government.uk. It's going to tell us that you may be able to get a tax refund if you've paid too much tax. You can use the tools here. So if you paid from a job, if you have foreign income, UK income earned before leaving the UK, you can see all of this criteria here. So if you meet the criteria, you will click on Start Now. What did you pay too much tax on? So let's say that we paid too much tax from a job, and we'll choose the next step. Now, when did you pay the tax? Here it's going to ask you for the time frame. So let's do this option. You will obviously fill out this according to your specific needs, and you will see the specific steps you need to take, and you will receive your tax refund. So here, if you pay too much tax, you will need to sign into your personal account. Basically, depending on your situation, you will get custom steps on how you can receive your refund, and you will see it here, the time frame for which, or what it's going to take, how long it's going to take before you receive your refund. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.